Alright guys, so I got a brand new GoPro 11 in the mail today from GoPro.com. So let's check it out. I already partially opened it. Alright. So what I got was the Hero 11 Black Accessory Bundle. Okay. Right now at GoPro.com, if you go to the GoPro store, you could actually find the GoPro for $200 off the regular price. So it comes out to, I think I paid less than $400. It was like $375, something in that area. And you actually get a 32 gigabyte flash memory card with it. And you get some other cool stuff I'll show you in a second once we open this up. You do have to be subscribed to the yearly subscriber through the GoPro. It's $49.99, but it's a no-brainer. They're going to give you $200 off. Might as well get it. And that's what it comes in. There it is. Let's check out some of the details. 27 megapixel pictures. It does 5.3K at 60 frames per second, or 4K at 120 frames per second, or 2.7K at 240. It's waterproof up to 33 feet, voice control, 8x slow-mo, data overlays, time warp 3.0, 1080p live streaming, super photo, raw photos, GP2 processor, webcam mode, and mode ready, hyper smooth stabilization 5.0. All right, let's open this up. Nice little case, pretty sturdy, got a zipper on it. Alright, it says, your camera must be updated before you can use it. Install the Go Pro Quik App on your phone. Make sure you have internet access and turn on your GoPro by pressing mode. Well, that sucks. Can't even use it right out the box. But let's check out and see what they give you. They give you a little, whatever these things are called. Phone on it. Hold it, little gripper. That's pretty cool. Little mounting screws, and here's your charger cord. So charger cord, and then you get a GoPro. I think I already have one of these. This is a head mount strap piece for the head, and they give you a hat mount. This clips on right onto your hat just like this. All right. So whenever you're recording something. I've been using a GoPro Hero 3 for about, I don't know, a year and a half, maybe 2 years now. It's very old, so I needed an update, and that's why I bought this. And I did buy this with my own money. I'm not sponsored by GoPro. Another clip. And this clip goes into here. And this is like a helmet, like if you, motorcycle helmet or a bike helmet, you can 3M tape that on, and this clip goes in and out off that. And part of the bundle is you get 2 extra batteries, Li-ion batteries, lithium batteries. That's pretty cool. And I heard that these things can overheat if they get too hot, like on a hot day or something, if you're recording for too long. But that's understandable, I guess, because since they cram so much into a little device, making it a 4K video capability and stabilization, all that. And again, it says your camera must be updated before you can use it. But yeah, that's the GoPro, guys. A little bit bigger than the Hero 3. I'd show you it, but you're on it. I'd say ½ inch to an inch wider. That's what I'm recording now through Hero 3, and it's a little bit thicker as well. Gives you nice instructions. Gives you some GoPro stickers right here, 3 of them. Oh, okay, you lift up. Ah, got it. Lift up, and this thing can go in and out. So you can get that thing on there fairly easy. Once it's on there, you push down. Got it, and that's pretty secure. I'll take it off, push that one down, squeeze these together, pops out. Okay. So it's just a little rubber piece that keeps that from pushing in. So that goes onto here too. Clips in. Push down on that. There it is. So it's got the little tabs here. So no more screwing in your piece. Before you used to have to screw in your whatever, your base, your mount. Now it has it right there for you. So that just goes right on there. Okay, and then you put the screw in. Alright, then you got your little traveling stick. If you're going traveling or something, you just hold that. If you go to the Bahamas or something, you're at the beach, whatever, just walk around like that. Pretty cool. And if you're wanting, it does use the new wider USB charge port, the newer ones that came out on the new phones. And one more thing I didn't open is this. I'm not sure what's in it. Little envelope. I'm guessing the SD card. Yes, and then you get the 32 gigabyte SD card, and this is the Extreme. Alright, so if you're wondering how to get the SD card in there, there's a little tab here, just barely enough little groove here to put your nail in there and push down. And once you push down, this thing opens up, and that's where your battery goes, and your SanDisk goes right here, right on that side. And look, there's the charging port. Alright. And it's GoPro brand. It's got a little tab here. Pull it in and out. And you can see the little metal pieces inside where this catches that side. So it goes on the top. And there you go. And you just push this down. And this is waterproof, so that's a good thing. And we'll see, do we turn it on the side? Yes, power mode is over here. Let's see if it has juice. And it does. So it's got a screen on the back side and a screen on the front side. All right. Okay, this thing says GPS. And it's speaking German or something. There we go. We're going to go back to English. And it's a touch screen. By using the GoPro, I agree to the terms. Okay, whatever. Turn on to tag your footage with location, speed, altitude, and more. Let's put on. It says install the GoPro Quik app on your phone to finish setup. Leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. So that's a bummer, guys. If you don't have a cell phone, you won't be able to use this camera. I'm going to use a camera that's not in service. It's just Wi-Fi from my home, and see if I can get this to work by installing the GoPro Quik app. I think just for your initial setup, you need a phone. Probably if you're buying it for a kid or something that doesn't have a phone, you can probably set it up for them, and then they can just use it after that. So I'm going to go to Google Play Store. And what do you know, this phone's a little bit too older, so it says looking for GoPro Quik video editor. It won't work for your device. So you gotta have a newer device, I'm guessing, because some of these devices, they do not let you update them, which forces you to buy a new phone. Alright, so this is a newer phone. Matter of fact, it's just a few months old, and you can see the Quik app allows me to work on there. 10-year-old phone, old Samsung Galaxy. This app won't work for you on this device. So if you got an older phone, good luck on getting the GoPro to work. You're gonna have to use somebody else's newer phone just to get the service on the phone working. So the Quik app on your phone to finish setup, leave your camera on and follow the app instructions. All right, let's open up this app. Open. All right, of course you got a creative account, huh? Let's do sign up with email. Just downloaded it. Now it's asking me some questions. Do you own a GoPro? Well, obviously. Yes. Set up your own GoPro now? Yes. Let's get started. We'll need access to your phone's location to connect. Want to connect camera now? Connect camera. My location, okay. Location on. Now it says turn on your Bluetooth. My goodness. Okay, Bluetooth on. Searching for camera. There it is, GoPro 1681. Okay, so I'm going to click on the GoPro. Pair. Put done. Searching for camera. Alright, so we're searching for the camera. Here we go. Come on, find my camera. You can do it. It's right here. It's right in front of you. Come on. Alright, it took me a little while to get this to work because it was not allowing the permissions. I had to go into the settings and allow permissions from my phone in the app. And now I got it working. Now it says we found your GoPro. Let's get started and connect. So let's connect. Connected. Name your GoPro. There we go. GoPro Black 11. Let's install your update. And that's the update we got to do right there. It says connects improvement, fixes bugs and stuff like that, etc., etc. It says camera update required. Your GoPro is almost ready. Update your camera software to get the latest Hero 11. So this is how you upgrade the software. Is just from your phone to this. It's pretty cool. You don't need a USB drive or anything like that, or SD card where you have to download it on the computer and then put in your SD card and put it into this and da 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 da. It takes a long time. Okay, connect to device. Connect. All right. Transferring media data, downloading update. And this does have a money back guarantee. Okay, through GoPro. We want you to be happy with GoPro products. Anytime within 30 days of receiving your order, you are not 100% satisfied, you may return it or refund. No questions asked. 30 days and that's it. And you can see this, it says if you don't have a separate charging case, you just plug the cord right into the camera and into a USB charger. What's this thing doing? It's beeping at me. Reconnecting to GoPro 11, easy control. Swipe down to change to Pro controls in the dashboard. Alright guys, finally got it working. And you can see me right there. Hey. So if you're recording yourself, you're not in focus or something, you can, make sure it's on there. My Hero 3 doesn't even have a camera, so you have to always kind of guess where you're at. It says all set, your camera software is updated successfully. You now have access to the latest features. Okay. Connect to the cloud, auto upload, get highlight videos. I'll do this later. So it's got, you push on the side, it scrolls through video, photo, or time lapse. Okay, let's just try a video. I mean a photo. This one right here. It says swipe up to see your photos and videos on your GoPro. So swipe up. And then it goes to the video, the photo. That's pretty cool. And it looks pretty darn good. Like I said, this does 27 megapixel pictures. Just going like that. That's pretty cool. I got low battery, I gotta charge this up. But yeah, that's how you update the GoPro 11. So far it's pretty cool. I'll have to test it out and see how good this thing is. I can tell compared to the GoPro Hero 3 I've been using, this is going to be a big, huge upgrade. If you're going from like a 9, 10, or even 8, probably it's not even worth getting this 11. I'd probably wait. But if you're going from anything 8 down, definitely worth it. I need to charge this up. Alright guys, I already closed down the GoPro is off, okay? Oh, let me see. Let me turn it off. And it actually showed the pictures that I had from my phone onto the app. Well, I guess you gotta have it on to see it, but like when I hit view media, even if this is off, it turns it back on automatically without me even doing anything. So I turn on my GoPro because I hit view media. So it's gonna communicate to my phone and show me the videos or the pictures that I got on the app itself. I'm at 15% battery life. They say they recommend you charge the battery fully prior to use every time. So I really got to shut this off. I just want to show you this real quick. And there it is. So just go back, view media, and now that it's on, my GoPro's on. So I'm going to shut it off, and then the pictures will go away. See, lost connection. Got it. The pictures are gone. That's pretty cool.